One of the bigger mysteries in science just got a whole lot clearer. 60% of miscarriages or failed implantations happen because embryos can't figure out how to stick to the uterus. And until this breakthrough, we didn't have a clear idea as to why. Just think about that for a second. The most crucial moment in human reproduction has been a complete mystery. We couldn't study it mostly because it's happening inside the mother's body where we can't see. But now, these brilliant scientists did something nobody has ever done before. They filmed human embryos trying to implant in real time using artificial uterine tissue. A microscope took photos every 20 minutes for 24 hours straight, capturing the most important moment in human development that we've never actually seen. Here's how they did it. A makeshift uterus was made using collagen-rich lining. This kickstarted the natural scaffolding found in uterine tissue. Then the interaction between the uterus and embryos were recorded over 24 hours. And what they found is very interesting and honestly surprising. The way the embryo implants is that it sort of burrows a hole into the uterus with serious force. Then they release enzymes that break down uterine tissue to essentially fuse with the organ's blood vessels, which begins the implanting process. Scientists found that the more force the embryos made on the uterine lining, the better its chances of successful implantation. But this is a fairly invasive process in which many women bleed and feel abdominal pain. Here's where it gets really weird. When the researchers poked the artificial uterine tissue with forceps, the embryos immediately moved toward the disturbance. Scientists think embryos use these contractions and movements as kind of like GPS signals to find blood vessels and nutrients. We just watched one of the most fundamental processes in human biology for the first time ever. This isn't just cool science, this could revolutionize fertility treatments and hopefully prevent countless miscarriages. As one researcher put it, we just cracked open one of the biggest black boxes in human development. The fact that we're alive to witness science this groundbreaking, pretty incredible. If you like science worth sharing like this, then follow us everywhere at Today Learn Science at TIL Science.